Europe is building something new, something quiet, something most people don't even know exists yet. A financial surveillance system so comprehensive that every transaction you make will be visible, tracked, recorded, permanent. You won't be able to opt out. This isn't about stopping crime, it's about control. Here's what's happening. Europe is rolling out a centralized payment infrastructure that connects every bank, every transaction, every movement of money. They're calling it modernization, efficiency, fighting financial crime. What they're actually building is a system where privacy in financial transactions becomes impossible. Every euro you spend will pass through a network that logs who sent it, who received it, when, where, why. Not just large transactions, all of them. The coffee you bought, the rent you paid, the donation you made, everything. And it's all tied to your identity. No anonymous payments, no cash alternatives that matter, no way to transact without creating a permanent record. The infrastructure is already being built. Banks are integrating, governments are mandating compliance, the legal framework is in place. Most people have no idea it's happening because it's not being sold as surveillance, it's being sold as convenience. Instant payments, seamless transfers, lower fees, better security. All true, all benefits that make adoption easy. But the cost is visibility, total visibility. Every financial decision you make becomes data, data that governments can access, data that doesn't disappear. And once that system is live, there's no going back. Here's why this matters. Money is power. The ability to transact freely is freedom. When someone can see every payment you make, they can see your life, where you go, what you believe, who you associate with, what you support. That information reveals everything, and in the wrong hands, it becomes a weapon. Right now, cash still exists. You can still make transactions that don't leave a digital trail. But cash is being phased out systematically. Retailers are going cashless. Banks are limiting withdrawals. Governments are capping cash transactions. The infrastructure being built makes cash obsolete, not illegal, just irrelevant. Because if everything can be done digitally, instantly, conveniently, why use cash? Most people won't. And that's the point. Once adoption hits critical mass, cash becomes suspicious. Using it marks you as someone trying to hide something. The social pressure alone will kill it. And when cash is gone, privacy is gone. Every transaction becomes visible. Every financial choice becomes transparent. Not to you, to the system. Here's where it gets darker. This infrastructure allows for programmable money. Money that comes with conditions, money that expires, money that can only be spent on approved things. Governments can issue payments that must be used within a time frame on specific goods at certain retailers. You can't save it, can't redirect it, can't use it how you choose. It's money with strings attached, strings controlled by whoever issued it. This isn't theoretical. Pilot programs are already testing it. Digital euros with expiration dates, welfare payments restricted to food, stimulus money that can't be saved. The technology exists, the experiments are running, the rollout is coming. And once it's normal, the controls get tighter. Transactions could be blocked in real time, accounts frozen without warning, spending limited based on behavior. All automated, all instant, all justified as preventing fraud or enforcing compliance. Your money, their rules. Now, some people hear this and think, if you have nothing to hide, why does it matter? Because the definition of what's worth hiding changes. Today, it's terrorism and money laundering. Tomorrow, it's political donations, or protest funding, or supporting causes the government doesn't like. The system doesn't care about intent, it just enforces rules, and rules can change faster than you can react. This infrastructure is being sold as protecting you, stopping criminals, making life easier. What it actually does is eliminate the possibility of financial privacy, not reduce it, eliminate it. every payment watched, every transaction recorded, every financial move analyzed, not by choice, by design. Europe is ahead on this, but other regions are watching, learning, planning their own versions: central bank digital currencies, real-time payment networks, unified financial surveillance. It's coming everywhere. And once it's in place, you can't escape it. Because money is required to live, and if all money is tracked, all life is tracked. The system Europe is building isn't about payments, it's about visibility, control, the elimination of financial anonymity. And most people won't resist, because it's convenient, because it's gradual, because by the time they realize what they've lost, opting out won't be possible. The infrastructure is being built right now, not to protect you, to monitor you.